Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today, it's what is it? November 23rd. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving. We got a fresh turkey here. Here's a butterball turkey, 12.5 pounds. And we're going to brine it and then we're going to put it out on the smoker. But this video is just to show you how I brine a turkey. So we got the turkey right here, it's thawed out. Matter of fact, it just came from the store. So we're going to set it right here for right now. So what I got a little saucepan. It's got 2 cups of water in it. I'm going to use kosher salt and a light brown sugar. And that's all I use in my brine. I use a little over a cup of kosher salt. I can't get it out. And I use about 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar. Probably saying that's a lot of salt, but it's going to be in a lot of water because we're going to put it in this cooler over here. There we go. And I'll put the brown sugar in. You don't have to worry about packing it or anything. Just get you about 3/4 of a cup. So here's the light brown sugar. So you add about 3/4 cup. We're going to put it on medium heat, let everything dissolve. It doesn't have to come to a boil or anything, just let it dissolve. And we'll come right back to here and I'll show you putting it in the cooler. And while we're letting it dissolve, we're going to go ahead and get the turkey ready. Alright, getting the turkey ready couldn't be any simpler. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let me zoom you in on the turkey there. So mainly it's getting this little net off of it. Now it says right on the bag, no knives or scissors needed. We're going to see if that's true. This way. So it shows an easy open bag here, and there it is, it's opening. I don't know how easy it was. I always put down paper towels and everything so you can clean the mess up. That turkey even came with a coupon. And it should have the neck and everything down in it. So what we'll do, we'll put the bag in the cooler and we'll just go ahead and put it in the brine just the way it is. May not be the right way, but it's the way I do it. Alright, so while I'm letting the brine cool, everything's dissolved, so you gotta let it cool first. You can't just stick hot brine down in here. So I've got a Igloo 28-quart cooler, which is perfect size for this. And I have a bucket liner that you would use to like put rice in or whatever. It's for a 5-gallon bucket, but it'll fit just fine right here. We'll go ahead and get my cooler ready, because what we're going to do when we get the brine in here and the turkey and everything, we're going to fill it full of ice and just let it sit. And that's all we got to do. Turkey's ready to go sitting here. I did take the neck out of it because it'll go into gravy and dressing and all that stuff. But that's ready, so when the brine gets cool, we'll bring you back over here. Alright, so I got the brine cool. Got some ice in here with it. I put 4 or 5 cups of ice down here in the bag. Pour that in there, and then we'll fill it full of water, or put some more water in there with it. All right, we got that. We're gonna take the turkey. No seasoning or anything, it's just going there like that. Then I'm going to take our ice tray, or our ice maker receptacle after I wash my hands, and I'm going to dump that in there. Hang on just a second. Always wash your hands when you hot water and soap when you're taking care of a turkey or chicken, quail, pheasant, dove, snout. Alright. Alright, so the next time you see this, we'll be putting some seasoning on it. And it'll be going on the smoker. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope everybody's having a great week. And y'all stay tuned because we're going to be putting this thing on the Big Green Egg. Y'all have a good one.